So hey guys, my name is Rishabh Singh, a first year medical student from Eastern Medical College and Hospital, Comella. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, so please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to provide you some educational video related to MBBS. I hope you will gain or acquire something new at the end of it. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is introduction of abdomen. In this video I am going to cover abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity, perineum and disorder related to abdomen. So starting with the topic, abdomen is the lower part of the trunk below diaphragm. Its walls surround a large cavity which is called abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity is subdivided by a plane of pelvis inlet into the upper larger cavity which is known as abdominal cavity and a lower smaller cavity which is called pelvic cavity. Now coming to abdominal cavity. It is the largest cavity of the body. Boundaries: superiorly diaphragm, inferiorly pelvic cavity or pelvic inlet, anteriorly abdominal wall muscles, posteriorly posterior abdominal wall which include lumbar vertebra and muscles, laterally lower ribs and the part of muscle of anterior abdominal wall. Now coming to contents of abdomen. So the contents of abdomen are organ and the glands of digestive and urinary system, stomach, small intestine and most of large intestine, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, 2 kidney and upper part of ureter, adrenal gland or suprarenal gland. Other structures include blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, nerves, spleen and the lymph node. Now coming to pelvic cavity. Pelvic cavity, it is the roughly funnel shaped cavity known as pelvic cavity. It is smaller than the abdominal cavity. Boundaries: superiorly abdominal cavity, inferiorly pelvic diaphragm, posteriorly sacrum and coccygeal bone, anteriorly pubic bone, laterally hip bone. And what are the contents of pelvic cavity? Coming to contents of pelvic cavity: loop of small intestine, sigmoid colon, rectum and canal, urinary bladder, lower part of ureter and urethra, reproductive organ. These all are the contents of the pelvic cavity. Now, the wall of the abdominal cavity and most of viscera are covered or enclosed by an extensive serous membrane called as peritoneum. Now, this peritoneum have two layers, parietal layer and visceral layer. Coming to perineum, it is a region at the lower end of the trunk and seen as a diamond-shaped area when thighs are abducted. So perineum is a diamond-shaped area when the thighs are abducted. Now coming to boundaries: anteriorly pubic symphysis, laterally ischiopubic ramus, anteriorly and sacrotuberous ligament, posteriorly and the posteriorly coccygeal bone, roof, pelvic diaphragm, floor, skin. Now what are the contents of perineum? External genitalia like penis and scrotum with the contents, and vulva in female, and anus. Now coming to disorder related to abdomen like hernia. Protrusion of an organ through wall which retain in it is called hernia. Types of hernia are inguinal, umbilical, femoral and incisional. Now coming to abdominal pain related to abdomen topic. Upper abdominal pain usually involve gallbladder, stomach, duodenum and pancreas. Central abdominal pain usually involve bowel, small and kidney. Lower abdominal pain usually involve urinary bladder, uterus, cecum and sigmoid colon. Now coming to abdominal mass topic, like you can see hepatomegaly which is enlargement of liver, splenomegaly which is enlargement of spleen, hydronephrosis which is enlargement of kidney, appendicular mass, carcinoma of stomach, enlargement of gallbladder, pregnant uterus or uterine fibroids, accumulation of feces and retention of urine, pseudocyst of pancreas. These all come in the abdominal mass. Now coming to abdominal distension. It is represented by 6F. 6 causes of abdominal distension. That's why it is referred as 6F. Like flatus gain in the intestine, feces, fat, fluid and fibroids. These are the 6 causes for the abdominal distension. So this completes our topic for the basic general information related to abdomen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is MBBS Studies with Rishabh Singh. I hope you will like, subscribe, comment, share my YouTube channel. Thank you.